Okay. Okay. Show what is this again? Mimi.
This has been the best thing that's ever happened in my life. Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to be unboxing the humidifier. So sometimes you have a dehumidifier. Here's a humidifier, which is good for winter. So dehumidifier would be good for summer, right? Also, people say this is good for their allergies. Makes the air more humid, keeps the nose from drying out. All I'm doing now is just unboxing it and having a look and see what it's all about. Cut my finger off while I'm doing it. Okay, how do we? Okay. It's like Christmas. Yeah, of course I got the box. Wow. Okay, I think I get it out. Wow, it's super tight. Eto guys, I'm the kabuhay. Hello guys, girls. Oh, hi. Oh. Okay, we don't want to break it, so we hold it. See, nothing left but just a little bit of styrofoam. And this is it. So we're going to test it later and do another video. We'll edit it in, but this is how it comes. It looks small. They say there's not a lot of mess. We're going to test it. It even says that you can put aroma in it. So I'm fairly certain you can put your oils in there. So we're going to test it. Tapos na. Tapos. Ang pinadala sa kita. Ikaw.
Show it.
Hello girls. And guys. Girls. Mainly girls because they're pretty, right? Not as pretty as my wife, but... Aww. Okay. Wow. So, this is, I don't know how you say that. YLNALO. Yalnalo. So I guess it's maybe an upstart brand. Everyone wants to break into the manufacturing field. Not as easy as it looks. It comes with the cord tied up. That's pretty self-explanatory. Just take off the tie, thread tie. So we're going to test it, see how it goes. Put the water in. Okay, everything has been unboxed. It comes with a manual, and it says for the larger model, which is what we have, the KLS 08, it says up to 3 liters. The smaller model is 2 liters, but we have the bigger model. So before you plug it in, take off the lid, and here's 2 liters. It's measured out, it's 2 liters. Pour the water in. Wow.
I think we have the 2 liter.
We must have the 2 liter. Okay. No, I think it will, because it's going down into the machine. So I think it might actually take up to 3. 3 might be too much though. Anyway, we'll put the lid back on. We're going to plug it in. It snapped at me. Okay, working. Okay, there we go. Okay, wow. Whoa. Oh, that's kind of cool. Okay, so look.
Oh wow.
You can turn it all the way around. Is that counterclockwise?
Wow.
Wait a minute. That's clockwise. So you turn it clockwise till it clicks and the red light comes on. It's working.
What did you?
Wow.
Okay. Okay. So what is this again? Baby, what is that again?
It's okay, so you have to turn this all the way clockwise until you hear a clicking sound. Basically turn it on. See, that's off. That's on. And I assume you just kind of turn it all the way to where it stops, but that's it.
Wow, how is it? It's a good.
I love it.
Yeah, look at
Watch,
the.
you can rotate the thing around.
Oh, look at the smoke. So if you're sick, you can use that too, huh? Right.
Put some aroma in there, some drops. We have some drops. You put the little drops in there and make it smell good.
Oh, okay.
Watch this.
I think if you have a cold, right?
Yeah, like if you're sick, a lot of people do use these when they get sick, like the flu or something. You can, I think there's menthol you can put in here, and it gets in the air too, you know. So this looks like a modern version of what I used to use when I got sick as a kid. So try it out. I think you're gonna like it. You'll probably like it, and thank you for tuning into our channel. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and also hit the notification button, the bell. Ding it.